All right, guys, so we were gifted a pretty awesome speaker here. This is a wireless speaker, the ZY01 wireless speaker. And a couple things about this. It is IPX7 waterproof. That is super important. It's got a 1200 milliamp battery on it. And you can see some of the details on the backs if you are interested in it. I will tell you this, it's got some heck of a packaging. I freaking love that. Now, this should be the red one. So I'm curious to see. We don't see many speakers that are in different colors. Usually they are in standard colors, right, at the end of the day. But this guy should be, based on the side, product color is red. Ooh. So overall, solid feel to it. That is pretty cool right there. That is a nice little feel. I'm not sure what I'm dealing with here. You got the charge. You have your power. You have, looks like a light play pause button. And then up and down and forward and backwards. Okay, all right, digging it thus far. Let's go ahead and see what else we got going on in here. Next thing is going to be suction, right? It is waterproof, IPX7, so you can pop this right on the back of it. So it should be able to just go right on the back, pop on there, and as it goes on, you should be able to suction this onto the wall. Bada boom, bada bang, you got music to play. So that is going to be a pretty neat little factor. You have your charge cable right here, USB to USB-C, so super important there. Let's go ahead and pop that back in the case. And then last but not least, you got the user guide. So with the user guide here, you got all the functions telling you all about it. Very important so you can see what you're working with. Now, let's see if we get some music playing. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. And this would be zero copyright, because your boy has his own music. Let's go ahead and hold down the power button, see if we can get it rocking and rolling. There we go.
Power on.
Okay.
Pairing.
And let's see what we're working with here. So as far as pairing goes, you're going to go into settings, go to Bluetooth, go down to devices and see what we're going to pop up here. This one, let's see what it's going to be called based on the details. Okay. Operations, key functions, activation, pairing. This is the ZY01 device. So that's what we're looking for is the ZY01 device is what we're going to be pairing with. And we'll go ahead and get back into Bluetooth. ZY01 right there.
Connected.
Connected. That's pretty sweet. You got it. Now, I know you guys want to hear some music. So we're going to pop some music on here. Good news is, this is my music, so no copyright issues. And let's see what we are working with. All right. All right. So that is pretty sweet. I mean, I'm not going to lie. I think it sounds really good. Sounds really good. You do have to play pause right here. So if I want to start it, just like that. If I had the ability to change the song, right now we're just going to single track. So I can go plus or minus right there with it. It does have the ability for time on there as well. So you can do that. It is a shower speaker, which is super nice to make it all happen. Guys, that is it right there. Hopefully you have enjoyed a little guide. And I'm super excited to get this in the shower with some tunes. I'm all about making some music, and this is a family affair, so we definitely love it. So at the end of the day, check it out.